everyone. So yeah, that was it for today. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're watching me for the first time, I am Shreya and I make all kinds of videos, and I do hope that all of you are doing well and taking all the precautionary measures required to be taken at this moment. So before moving on with today's video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload my next video. And also please don't forget to check out my Instagram as well if you feel like talking with me. So in my today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys my recent Nykaa haul and some of the products which I've already used, and I'll share the review of them as well. So without wasting any time, let's move on with today's video. So in my today's video, I'll be showing you guys all of my Biotech products which I have ordered from Nykaa. Now each product is from Biotech brand and it does not include any paid promotion, just that I have found out few products really helpful and I've used it for over 3 months, and I wanted to share the review as well. And I also wanted to share a few new products which I haven't used, but reading all the good reviews on the app and everything, so I wanted to try it out and share it with you guys. So the first product which I'll be showing you guys is from Biotech. It's a hair serum kind of. It's called Mountain Ebony Vitalizing Serum for falling hair. So this one I have been using for over 5 to 6 months right now, and it's absolutely amazing. So I've already used it till this much, as you guys can see. So one good thing is I can absolutely smell it. It's amazing. It's amazing. So while searching for Biotech products, I came to know about this one. I read few review on Nykaa app and people have been going gaga over this one. So this is not a really hyped about product, but I genuinely wanted to try out. So the procedure is that you wash off your hair and you apply a bit amount of this on your hair and style it accordingly, and it leaves your hair really smooth and silky without any tangles and anything. So I would suggest that within this pocket pinch, finding a good hair serum is very important, because nowadays it's like humidity everywhere and it's summer, and if you're going out, your hair is just jinxed up altogether. So I would really ask you guys to invest in such a product. And one major thing about this one is that it helps in hair growth. So if you're like suffering from hair loss, somewhere on your forehead area, so I would suggest you guys to use this for like 3 to 5 months approximately, and then only you will see the results of it. So definitely a must buy. So the next new product which I came to know, because I really didn't know that they have their sunscreen as well. So this one is from Bio Morning Nectar. So this is a sunscreen with sun protector, 30 plus SPF, UVA and UVB sunscreen, and this is for all skin types. Now I haven't used this one. It's a brand new packet and everything. So this retails for $199. I guess I purchased all of these products at 25% discount. So I'll mention all the prices which I paid on the screen. Please don't forget to check out the description box as well. I'll be mentioning all the links possible, so that if you get interested, you can just directly go to the link and purchase. So this one I haven't used it yet, but I am genuinely looking forward of using it, because while stepping out, SPF is really important, and since I have been using the Bio Morning Nectar cream for like really long time, and I'll be sharing with you guys my 3rd bottle, so I wanted to try out the sunscreen as well. I'm really looking forward to it to a greater extent. So as for sunscreen is that you can use it under, like as a base under your makeup, because under the makeup it's really important to protect your skin. I generally use lactocalamine most of the time. So the next not so new product which I have been using for like 3 months over right now, and mind it, I have ordered this Nykaa and everything before the lockdown. So I genuinely wanted to try out few of the products and use it and share the review with you guys, and few of the products are new. So I didn't do this Nykaa haul before, because I was genuinely trying out the products and seeing whether it works out or not. So that's the reason. So the next product is this hydrating cleanser. So for a long time I have been using the Lakme cleanser, and if at all Biotic was working for my skin, so I wanted to try out this cleanser as well. So this cleanser, it's really smells amazing, I have to say. It's Bio Burberry hydrating cleanser, and the most amazing thing is that it's for all skin types. As you have already seen, like I have used it till this much, I guess, and it smells amazing. Like, it smells amazing. It's very fresh and fruity kind of a smell, but nothing can top over the smell of that hair serum. Like, I am telling you guys, that hair serum smells heavenly, I have to say. So this one, I genuinely use it like after like I'm cleaning my makeup and everything, and most of the days I use it like without makeup, or I just want my face to be cleansed off, so I use this one with just a mild cotton pad and everything, and it works out well. So the next product, which is an absolute favorite of mine, and this is my third bottle which I'm using it. So this I was recommended by one of my family members, my relative, and she had been using it for like a long time, and she recommended me of using this one. I was using the Pond's and I do use it, but this one I use it every day, every morning after my bath, and it's absolutely wonderful. It works for all skin types. So this is Bio Morning Nectar Ultra Smoothing Face Lotion. So one good thing is that it comes with SPF also. So I didn't really invest in another sunscreen because I thought that it's working fine, but I genuinely gave it a try of trying out a new sunscreen, because with the utmost situation and with the environment thing, you know, our body is getting jinxed up by wearing masks, and we have to like take care of our body like hell. So this one, and this one is almost empty, it's left till this one. So I use it like after coming out from the shower. I use it every day once, and if you want you can use it in the night as well, but I would prefer you to use a separate night cream altogether. And this one is you know, there are few creams or lotions, when you apply it just chaps up on your skin, it feels oily and sticky. This is not one of them. You take a little amount of it and you just massage it on your skin, and for like 5 minutes to 6 minutes it stays, and then it goes off. Like, you won't even feel that you have used it actually. So that is the good thing which I like, because since my skin is already oily, I do not prefer creams or lotions which stays on skin and gets sticky, and that way it just attracts more dirt on your skin. So the next new product which I had purchased is this Bio Coconut Whitening and Brightening Cream, and this is also for all skin types. Now I haven't used it, but for Biotic it's a long journey for me. I have been using the first product ever launched by Biotic, that was Bio Saffron. I'll include the picture somewhere on the screen if I find that dabba, because I absolutely loved it. And previously the Biotic dabbas used to come like in a cylindrical, much more cylindrical rather than this size, and it smelled heavily, the Bio Saffron one. I don't know, I'll try to link it if you guys want to check it out. So this one is for whitening and brightening. I do not know how much this is going to work, but I'll definitely start using it after I finish off one of the other cream which I use it as a day and night cream. So definitely, if you guys are looking for a budget friendly cream with like almost less of chemicals and everything, you can definitely go ahead and check this product out. Now again, while scrolling and everything, I came to know about this product. So this is a spot correcting cream. It's a face pack, and for oily and acne prone skin. So spot correcting is like absolutely a great deal for me. It's definitely for oily skin and acne prone skin, because since we have pimples and acne, and it goes on leaving a mark on our face. So we generally need to figure out a process where we can eliminate those marks from our skin. So this one I read few reviews and everything, and people really loved it. So I thought, since with the dabba, I really thought that the product will be like a little bit bigger, like as compared to the box. But as compared to the box, it came like this. It's really tiny. It's almost like a Borolin ka, the new dabba of Borolin and everything. But nonetheless, we can't really complain since the product is really good. So it comes like this, and you remove it, and I have to say, this smells almost like the pain balm, like the Zandu balm and other pain balm which we use on our forehead and everything. It smells absolutely like that, but it really does wonders. So what I did for 1 month is that before going off to sleep, I used to apply this spot correcting cream only on the places where I have spots, not on my entire face, and I kept it all night, and then the next morning I washed it off. So that way it really worked on fine. But since I'm prone to like cold a lot, so that process, however, like I wasn't feeling well, because I knew that somewhere or the other I was catching cold from something which I was doing. So I figured it out, and now for like 2 weeks or now, so what I do is that before taking a bath, before 1 hour or so, I apply this one on the spots, and then take a bath and wash it off, and you're good to go. So definitely, if you're looking for one spot correcting cream, try this one out. I'm really suggesting you guys, you should definitely try this one out. So this one also retails for $199, but I'll mention all the prices on the screen. And please don't go by the looks of it or by the box of it, because it really comes tiny. So the next cream which I have been using for, like, this is my second purchase, and this one is Bio Wheat Cream Youthful Nourishing Night Cream, and this is absolutely gorgeous. Like, I have no complaint about it. This is from normal to dry skin. You can definitely check this one out. And the dabba is really huge, like as compared to that one. So this one also retails for $230, but I mentioned the price of what I have paid. And this one smells amazing. As you guys can see, I've already like used it off, so I need to order it once again. And this one is again not chappy, not really sticky on your skin. It does not stays in for like really long, and since I have an oily skin, finding these sort of creams which do not stay on your face, which do not feel like sticky and greasy and oily, is a big deal for us. Like, I had used so many products, but apart from Soap and Glory and Biotic, all these creams works wonders for me. Soap and Glory is much more like you use it, and then for like 2 to 3 minutes it's gone, and your skin feels so soft. And the same thing is with this one. So this one is a night cream. I use it every night before going off to sleep. And for the Biotic brightening cream, I am looking forward of using this in the daytime. Like, I'll be using it in the daytime. It's already sealed. I have to open this pack and everything. So, and the last product. Now, I don't use much of face packs because I don't know, I'm not really fond of face packs much. So while purchasing the cleanser, I came to know, or I read and I saw the product, and it said that it's good for tan removal. So college days and office days, you go out like during the 11:30 to 12 p.m. and your skin gets all dull and it gets tanned. So I wanted to try out since it's for tan removal and everything. So this one is Biofruit Tan Removal Face Pack. It's whitening and depigmentation, and it's for all skin types. Now, one major good thing about Biotic is that almost all the products are for all skin types. It does not distinguish you to oily. Now, you don't have to buy like separate products. So you can be oily prone and mixed or dry skin, so that's not a big deal for biotin. So this one I have been using for like really long time and it's absolutely good. This almost smells the same to like the cleanser, the hydrating cleanser one. And one drawback of this one is that I thought that it would come with a spatula or something to apply the face pack, but it didn't come with any of the sort. So what I do is I don't use a brush, I use my fingers, that's all. So you open it up like this and you get the face pack. One tip is that before applying the face pack, please make sure to mix the face pack and then apply, because there's 2 layers. It goes on forming 2 layers if you don't use it for like a long time. The liquidy part comes on top and the heavy part goes at the bottom. So you mix it up and then apply it on your skin. So I use it for like once or twice in a week, and if I'm really going out, so I use it like every day. You can use it every day, but I use it like once or twice in a week. And I apply it and then keep it for like 5 to 10 minutes. It dries off and then I wash it off with some lukewarm water and then pat it off with a towel or something. And this has actually helped. If you will diligently use these products for like a month, 2 months, you will absolutely love the results and you will go on like purchasing few other products as well. So yeah, that was it for today's video. I really do hope that all of you guys have enjoyed it and find like the video helpful enough. And this video is strictly for like biotin products, since I had purchased and since I had been using it for like over 3 months, and I wanted to share a few reviews as well. And if you guys really want to check out the products, please don't forget to check out my description box. Every link will be provided there. And till then, stay safe and please don't forget to comment down below as to which products you have been using and which products you really found it useful after using, and which other products you really want to recommend to me, if at all any. So please don't forget to comment down below as to your favorite products, and I'll be waiting to check out your comments. And till then, stay safe and stay motivated, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.